Millions of women and men around the world love chocolate. Someone likes dark chocolate, someone likes milk or hot, cocoa, chocolates and desserts, spicy chocolate sauces and delicious ice cream. Mankind eats tons of chocolate a year. Do you like chocolate? Which one do you prefer? Please write about it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be the first to know about medical news. Is chocolate good or bad for health? And what does evidence-based medicine say about chocolate? Cocoa contains many different flavonoids, flavonols. The use of cocoa, rich in flavanol, causes significant vasodilation. Various studies investigating the potential protective effect of flavonols on cardiovascular disease, CVD, have found evident association. The more flavonols present, the less associated diseases. Cocoa flavonols activate nitric oxide synthase in humans. Modern methods of cocoa processing significantly reduce flavanol content, thereby reducing health benefits while increasing added sugar content. Cocoa and chocolate cause a decrease in systolic and diastolic blood pressure in elderly people with hypertension. The exact dose of chocolate benefits is unknown. The amount of flavonols does not depend on the color of the chocolate, but on their amount in raw cocoa beans. Dark chocolate does not mean richest in flavonols. The introduction of alkaline potassium into cocoa nibs improves appearance and taste but reduces the amount of active flavonols. Alkalinization produces a very dark chocolate that is virtually free of flavonols. Milk chocolate contains the least amount of flavonols, but the highest amount of sugar. Daily consumption of a small piece of dark chocolate, 40 grams, containing olive oil can improve the function of the inner lining of blood vessels. For the prevention of cardiovascular diseases, it is recommended to take chocolate containing at least 70% cocoa. Chocolate is a resource of caffeine. 100 grams dark chocolate contains about 20 to 40 milligrams of caffeine. In other words, not everything is so bad with chocolate if it is not overdone. Do you like chocolate? Which one do you prefer? Please write about it in the comments. If this video was interesting for you and you learned new information, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and share links with your friends. We promise you a lot of informative and useful videos on our channel. And in the meantime, you can choose one of the past videos, on the right or on the left.